Let's talk protectors. Look at all these protectors. We've got you covered. We've got a protector for damn near any type of fence you can almost dream of. Maybe. I bet you can figure out what we don't have for. But here we go. We got protectors made. This is a mini protector. This is made to fit your standard 2-inch aluminum post, especially for the eye post system where you sleeve this over the eye post and you got to tap all these down into the ground, every single one of them a few inches. The mini protector works really great, so we can hit that and protect the top of that post from getting damaged because we don't want to have any damage on top of that that's exposed. The same protector will fit the 2.5 inch, so the protector fits both. We got the little mini thumper to allow you to hit the protector. Inside the mini thumper, there's metal slag inside there, and so as you hit, you don't have a bounce. That's the whole idea between both these protectors. As we make contact, the material inside the thumper also makes contact, and that prevents the bouncing and will prevent this from falling off onto the ground, which just saves us a lot of time and frustration. So that's why we recommend both of the thumpers we were built for, which prevent these from bouncing off. But that's the mini protector. We've got the standard protector. This protector is really valuable for the 5x5 vinyl fence posts. That's going to allow you to change the grade of the height, especially on the no dig where you're pounding every single post just a little bit into the ground to get the grade right where you want it. So this will protect the top of that vinyl post from getting crushed. Like if you were to hit that, chances are you're going to break it. If you use a 2x4 up there, typically that's a 2-person operation. So you got somebody holding the board, someone else hitting the sledgehammer, or if one guy's doing both of those, it's pretty awkward. So the protectors are going to make your life a lot easier, simple, safe. Using the thumper, this thing is pretty heavy. Again, metal slag in there. The angled handle allows us to make contact on top of that 6-foot tall post. We want to hit flat on this protector. Okay. The angled handle lets a person, the average height, 5'6" to 5'10", stand with feet on the ground and make contact with the top of that post, and then bring that thumper right back to the shoulder each time. Again, decreasing fatigue, making it easier for the operator to change the height of this post. This thumper is pretty heavy. It gets the job done. This protector fits the 5-inch post, but it also fits the 4-inch post. And in a pinch, it also works for your 2-inch. Make sure when you hit with a 2-inch, you gotta hit it right in the middle because with the side, it's just gonna fall right off. So preferably rather use the mini. If you don't have the mini, this Protector 2.0 will get the job done. The Protector 2.0 also does like your dig and set 4x4 construction in the ground. So if you dry pack, or if you even dry set, I hope not, then making slight adjustments after your rails are installed. This has a groove cut out for that 2x4. Same protector that you have for the 5x5 and the 4x4 will also work for a standard construction 4x4, 2x4 dig and set. That's the Protector 2.0. If you're doing the wing post or even the Z post, different versions of the wing post, you got Postmaster Standard, Postmaster Plus, Postmaster 3.0, a bunch of other brands out there, the Z post. Then we've got the protector here that will fit those. That fits right on there, so you can make slight adjustments after the frame is built. Same protector fits both of them. This allows you to make contact and not mess up your 2x4s on top. Gives you a much bigger surface area to hit. This one's pretty unique. We had a gentleman who was setting a bunch of Buckley fence on a project, and what they did is they set all the posts space-wise, got everything in the ground. They tapped them in the ground a few inches, then brought in a concrete chuck and filled everything in. So they dug their holes, they put all your posts in, they tapped the post down just a little bit to keep them plumb and in the right spot, and they used this protector for that. If you were to try to hit the top of this post with a hammer, or again 2x4, potentially it could be a 2-man operation, or the 2x4 splintering everywhere. This is clean and neat, fits right on there, and now you can use the thumper to tap down to grade a height where you want the final grade to be, and then backfill with wet concrete if that's what you're doing. If you're dry packing these posts, easy installation, set the post with a dry pack your post in, run your rails, and then grade it with the protector after the installation of the fence to get the contour, the grade exactly where you want it. So there's the protectors. Now you know.